Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to update the WhatsApp and the new WhatsApp update for 2024. First of all, let's launch the App Store. Let's look for WhatsApp, and then when you find WhatsApp, you will have the updated version. Let's click on update and let's see how the hell we'll actually proceed with this. What are the new features I had? A lot of people talking about the new features. Let's see how it goes. First of all, the update tab, it's now homepage, find the channels. So the updates currently is doing this updates on what you care about, keep up with people, organizations, and the matter of all times. Find and explore channels. Channels are public, so anyone can find them and see what are they sharing. Added privacy, agree, and continue. So as you can see, guys, over here we're having channels, and we're having a lot of sports channels that are pushed. As you can see over here, the first recommendations that we're getting are coming from news channels such as Daily Mail. We're having channels that is for Major League Baseball. We're having a lot of celebrities, Chelsea soccer team. Again, we have a lot of news channels, the Wall Street Journal, the Forbes. Okay, let's say which are most active. As usual, we saw that the ones or part of the ones that were recommended are the ones that are most active. We have Paris Saint-Germain, again, sports team. We have US Sun, Newsweek. Yeah, as you can see, I don't know, guys, let me know in the comment section, do you see the same information recommended to you? As you can see, the popular ones currently are, of course, Real Madrid, Netflix, and some other celebrities over here, but majority of the things that we're seeing over here are simply celebrities and sports. Again, we have something new. Over here we have some new channels that have been created. Very interesting. If we simply go and try to load some of them, right, it's kind of group chats where, I don't know, they probably present certain information or whatsoever. Very interesting that you can actually change the country and you can find information related from your country if you're out of the US. So it's very interesting. You can actually type over here and change the country, and probably gonna get all the news channels and all the celebrities that are in your country that are popular, trending, so on and so forth. I don't really see any major updates over here, guys. If you got some better updates, please let me know, but so far that's all I can see. Subscribe and come back for more.